Hello students, I am Neeraj Pal, your subject teacher of Computer and GK. And today students, we will discuss about your SPSW. Students, as you all know, in summer vacation, we got SPSW from our school. Today we will talk about SPSW. Students, there are 4 sections in your SPSW. First is learning oral, second is written, third is activity, and fourth is project. So students, first of all we will talk about computer SPSW. In this, your first learning oral SPSW is you have to learn the exercise of chapter 1 and type of computer and their examples. Okay. Second, learn about input and output devices. Students, you have to learn all the input and output devices. And the next activity is you have to write all the types of computer in your SPSW copy. Okay. And the project activity is write 10 full form related to computer subject. You have to write 10 full form like www, LCD, LED, CRT, PC, MU, CU, these all. And you have to create a diagram about computer and software in your SPSW copy. And you have to also make a chart of microcomputer and you have to write their uses and benefits. Okay. Now come to the GK subject. Now students, in your GK subjects, there are 4 parameters. First is learning oral, second is written, third is activity, and fourth is project. In learning oral, you have to learn all the state and their capitals and their chief minister's name. Okay. And in this second point is you have to learn all national park and where it is situated. Clear? And the second is written activity. In this you have to write 5 flightless birds name and you have to write few line about them. Okay. Second point is you have to write 10 line about our CM and PM in your SPSW copy. And the next activity, in this section you have to create a chart of state according to their area. You have to create a chart of state according to their area. And in the project section you have to draw a solar system on a chart paper using colors. Okay. And the next, you have to self search and write few line about WHO, that is stand for World Health Organization. Clear students? These all the activities you have to do in your SBSW copy and on a chart paper. Okay, it will signed by your subject teacher when the school will be reopened. Okay students, now enjoy your holiday. Bye bye everyone.